Hey, Cookaholic, Chef Kendra here. Please watch my videos all the way through. They are short and it helps me keep making videos. Anyway, today we're making a freaking delicious sausage stuffing for Thanksgiving. So let's do what we do and make it happen. We're going to start with some simple prep. What we have here is some store-bought baguettes, French bread. It says bake at home, but something was up with the labeling because clearly it's already baked. So I bought this in the bakery section of the grocery store. By the way, I may have said this in another video way back in the day. Thanksgiving is my favorite holiday. Not because our country's take on it. That's really questionable. It's my favorite because my family loved it. It was all about cooking together, enjoying our feast, and sitting on the couch overstuffed, yelling at the TV as Detroit Lions got their butts kicked yet again, then slipping into the most blissful food coma. You know what I mean. Those are some amazing memories I'll always be thankful for. By the way, when I was a kid, I always had to chop the celery and the onions. That was my job then, and I guess it's still part of my job now. So we're just gonna be chopping this bread into some big size pieces. We're tossing the chunks into a Ziploc bag, leaving it partially open. Next, we're going to put it in the fridge overnight so that our bread cubes dry out nicely. Guys, don't forget we're going to do this the day before. Grab Chef Kendra's kitchen cookbook. The link is high up in the description below. Finish the video first, then go buy the book, son. Eat it. Now for the celery, I have some cleaned celery and we're just going to chop it up just like so. I love the smell of celery and cucumbers. They smell better than they taste, and I like how both of them taste. I'm just saying, the smell is just fresh, clean, and I love the way they smell. Now for the onion. We're just gonna get this chopped before the tears take over. Now here we go. Got a little Farmer John classic pork sausage links in the house. But really, just use your favorite pork breakfast sausage. We got a little vegetable oil in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat, and we're going to break up the sausage and we're going to brown it. If you have a ton of oil in a pan, drain the sausage before you set it aside. You can find this and other fun recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. We have a touch more vegetable oil in the pan, and now we're going to add a ton of butter. Heck yeah, fam. It's the holidays. Next, we're going to toss in the onion. And celery in our non-stick pan, and off camera I add a little sea salt and black pepper. We're going to cook and stir this until it's soft. We're adding sage and poultry seasoning. And giving it a stir. Now for the star of the show, the French bread cubes get tossed in. Stir, making sure every bread cube gets some buttery love. Now if you're into it, you can toss in some oysters or some scallops. Get a little wild with it. I prefer just the sausage, so I try it that way first if I was you. Not everyone wants seafood in their stuffing. Also, this would be a good time to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, looks good already. Now we have an egg that we're going to mix with some chicken broth. The sausage goes in. And now we're gonna pour in our egg and chicken broth mix. We're pouring our stuffing into a foil-lined baking sheet and covering it tightly with foil. We're gonna bake our sausage Thanksgiving stuffing for 30 minutes. We're gonna remove the foil and bake it another 20 minutes. While you're here, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. All right, that's it for this time. See you next time. Chef Kendra's out. Peace.